If you want to create realistic 3D text in Photoshop with effects like shiny gold, glossy plastic, dripping liquid, or even inflated chrome balloon lettering, this method can help you do it fast using Adobe's generative tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make 3D text in Photoshop step by step, even if you're a beginner. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and create a new project or open the design you want to work on. Then choose a large, heavy font for your text. This part matters because thick fonts work much better for 3D effects than thin or delicate fonts. Type out the word or phrase you want to turn into 3D text and make it as large as you need so the effect has enough detail to show properly. Once your text is on the canvas, the next step is to convert it into pixels. Go up to the top menu and click Layer, then Rasterize, and then Type. If you prefer, you can also right-click the text layer and choose Flatten or Merge Down depending on how your layer is set up. The goal here is to turn the editable text into a flat pixel layer so Photoshop can work with it properly for the next step. Now you need to select the shape of the text. Hold Ctrl and click directly on the thumbnail of the text layer in the Layers panel. This will load the letters as an active selection and you'll see the marching ants outline around your text. This selection is important because it tells Photoshop exactly where you want the 3D effect to appear. With the selection active, look for the Generative Fill option on the contextual floating taskbar. Click it to open the prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually building complex effects, you can describe the exact style you want Photoshop to generate. For example, you can type a prompt like this. Realistic 3D text effect made of inflated, glossy metallic gold foil balloons, studio lighting, highly detailed. You can also customize the prompt depending on the look you want. For a chrome style, you could say shiny reflective chrome 3D text. For a liquid style, you could try dripping liquid metal letters. And for a softer playful look, you could use inflated plastic balloon text with bright studio lighting. After typing your prompt, click Generate and give Photoshop a moment to create the effect. Once it finishes, you'll usually see 3 variations in the Properties panel. Take your time and click through each version to compare them. Some variations may look more realistic, more polished, or better suited to your design than others. If you want the text to stand out even more, you can combine this with a dark background, a subtle shadow, or some extra highlights in your composition. That can really help the 3D effect pop and make the lettering look even more believable. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can turn plain text into realistic 3D lettering in Photoshop without building every detail manually. This is a great trick for thumbnails, posters, social media graphics, and any design where you want bold text that grabs attention fast. If this video helped you, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.